beauties, and welcome back to my channel. This is Haitian Chocolate Beauty and welcome to this video. Now, as you can see by the title, I've been dreading this. Not even dreading recording it, but dreading doing it in period. Because I feel like this is so tedious. It looks so beautiful, but this is the tedious thing ever. I feel like it's finger coils. And then when you put little rods, like tiny, like paperclip tiny rods in your hair. Now, I am wondering why that subscribe button is still red. Because I mean, you feel our chemistry, you feel our energy. We go on adventures together, and today we're about to go on a triumph. We're about to do something we've never done before together. And that, I feel like just having you here with me and clicking the subscribe button just means so much to me. I promised myself I wouldn't get emotional. Well, if you're ready, let me stop talking. If you're ready to see me waste 25 years of my life doing this, so stay tuned. So the products that I'm gonna be using, I have my spray bottle full of water. I have my coconut shea leave-in conditioner. This I'm gonna put all over my hair. Let it stay in my hair to moisturize my hair while I'm twisting. I have my Canvas Hair Blossom Serum. I don't have a lot left, which means that it's good. I have my Advanced Vitamin E Conditioner Oil. These are the two products that I'll be twisting my hair with. I'll be using my Texture ID styling cream since my perm rods came out amazing with this. And I'll be using the Edge Booster Grape Scented since this doesn't flake up my hair at all. I'll be using the African Shea Butter oil just to hydrate my ends so that it doesn't get frizzy. So I have my section back here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my leave-in conditioner and run my fingers through it. So I put a little bit of the Texture ID, some of the shea butter on my ends. I'm gradually just moving it up to keep my hair moisturized. Now I'm gonna take my Edge Booster. I'm just twisting it till the scalp region is tight. All right, that's one. I'm putting a metal clip to hold it because I watched a lot of YouTube videos before deciding to do this, like Cheesy Duru, Natural 93, 96, and my Cheek Natural. And she had the clips holding it, and I was like, huh, I'm 4C, I'm gonna create a lot of frizz no matter what, so I'm trying to stop that ish. So I'll see you later when I have more done, okay? Okay, I'm almost done now. I did the back. I kept the pins in and I twisted up to elongate it. And this is the side, this is this side. I'm gonna do like a half part. So I'm just gonna show you guys again how this very long, tedious process is going. Also, tip, if you're doing your hair and you don't wanna touch the chips, use chopsticks. I'm gonna make another part. I just start by making part. On this part of the phase, I started adding water because my hair is dry now. So I put the conditioner oil on the part. spray some water on the hair. Use my leave-in conditioner. Then I take a wipe to comb and I comb it. All right, now that I have my part, I'm putting in my Texture ID cream all over the hair. And I'm only dapping my fingers, so it's not even a dime size. Then I wipe my finger off and I go into the Shea Butter. And I'm taking a little bit and working from the ends up, keeping the ends moisturized. And then I wipe off my finger again. I go in the gel. I work the scalp part. And then I twist to the direction that I want it. While I'm twisting down, I'm adding moisture and I'm adding gel. I'm adding the ID texture cream and adding gel, of course, just to make sure it stays hydrated. And I tighten it right at the top, add the clip, and then finish the ends. Right now, I'm just gonna pull them so it stays tight while I stuck this in. That sounds like a dirty joke. A band, this is how I do my stretching method. You just take a band and then you go down your hair as you wrap it. All right, that's it. I am all done. Now I'm gonna go to bed, let this air dry, and then you'll see how it looks in the AM. All right, guys, I'm back, and it's the next day. Whew. So we're gonna take these out and see how they look, okay? I don't know what to say because there's some, maybe if I did half and half, maybe that'll be better. So doing this, I see there's some height issues with my hair. Well, not really, it's just wriggled up. So maybe I can put it up. Yeah. All right, I'm gonna try to do something with this and I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. I did a little makeup look, a little something, which should be up on Saturday, this look. And the hair, I like it. I know that sounds like I don't, but I like it, but I'm just a very big hair person. I just have to get used to the curls being so small. I decided to pin them in the back just to open my face up, because I always have my face up here. Oh my gosh, I always have my hair up here, but I never like have it to the side and, you know, do the half up, half up, half down look. So I feel like I like this. I just have to get used to it. It's not that I don't like it, it's the fact that I've never seen myself like this. Like, you know, I've never seen my hair not as puffy, or I've never seen my hair not as, you know, somewhat. So it's hard to get used to. So I just have to get used to it, and this actually looks good. I'm glad my makeup came out good, and thank you guys so much for being here with me with this hair video. And remember, you are loved, you're appreciated, and you're beautiful, and you guys have a wonderful, wonderful day. Mwah. Bye.